everyone. A holy Easter to you. We celebrate Jesus. He is the reason for this season. We give thanks for his death, burial, and resurrection. But you know, we Jamaicans, we cannot celebrate the Easter season without our Easter bun and cheese. Yes, so today I'm in the kitchen and I'm going to make a bun and cheese. Not cheese. I'm going to make an Easter bun to go with our cheese. Alright? So I'm going to show you the ingredients. I'm going to combine them to make a delicious, juicy bun. And then I'm going to add the cheese to it. I'm not going to make the cheese. I'm only going to make the bun. Okay? And then we get the cheese and put it together. Alright, let's go. I'm going to show you the ingredients and I'm going to combine them to make this juicy, delicious bun. Let's go. So here are the ingredients to make this Easter bun. My flour here, my raisins, different color, jam, and all of these I'm going to put together. Butter, yes, I have baking powder right here and a little 1/2 cup of molasses. All of these mix. Also have some jam, strawberry jam. It's going to be delicious. Juicy and moist. And to this I have 1 cup of sugar. Brown sugar, light brown sugar also. This is 3/4 stick of butter. All of this in here. Color. I'm going to add this to the stove, and so the butter can melt for a few minutes. There we go. Mix it right here. Okay, so the mixture is now cooled. The butter has melted. And so now I'm going to add the dry ingredients into the mixture. So we can get our bun in the oven. And you're going to set your oven at 250 degrees. And you're going to bake for about 1 hour. Alright. So to the mixture I'm going to add some vanilla, tablespoon. And also I have some almond of essence. I'm going to have also a tablespoon. like so far. This mixture is right. So we're going to grease our baking pan. bite into the fruits. Here goes the Easter bun. Look at it. Yay! All we need is a cheese. Okay, so to top it off, I'm going to put a little glaze on it made from honey and butter, melted butter and honey, and just brush it over it. Yummy, yummy. Who needs a slice? Who is ready for a slice? Okay, let's put this glaze on. Let it stay for a while. Then I'm going to get my cheese to go with it. It looks so yummy. Watering. Oh yes, I know somebody's mouth is dripping right now for a piece of this. Yes, Easter bun. Yes, spice bun. One with lots of fruits, cherries and raisins and mixed fruits. Here is the Easter bun and cheese. Look at it. Who is ready for a piece of it? Wow, look at it. It is so moist. It is so soft. And delicious. I taste this already. Yeah. So, happy Easter to you. You're enjoying your Easter bun and cheese wherever you are. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel and enjoy the video. You can go ahead and watch the video and make your own Easter bun and get your cheese. Alright? Happy Easter. Remember, Jesus is the reason for the season.